Excel ribbon and their commands.
Scenario Manager. Scenario Manager in Excel is used to compare data side by side and also swap multiple sets of data within a worksheet. This feature allows multiple data to set in cells. Here given an example, deposit of a bank in various years and their interest rate. We can see the blue colored columns year, deposit and interest percentage. In this area multiple data are set. 3 years data are set here. Let us see these data. Click on what if analysis, scenario manager. Then we can see in scenario 3 years. The data shown in the worksheet is 2018. If you want to show the 2019 data, click on 2019 and click on show. We can see 2019's data and their calculations, the interest amount. Then 2020, click on 2020, then show. So we can see 2020 and their deposit, interest percentage and their interest amount. Then I will show you how to do this task. Click on edit. The scenario name I given is 2018. The range of the cells for scenario is V2 to D7. We can see the V2 to D7 in the data. Then click on OK. In B2 2018, we can see in B2 2018. Then C2 5 lakh. Okay, 5 lakh. And D2 9. And B3 we can see 2018 same. And C3 we can see 6 lakh. D3 9. Then B4 again 2018. Then 8 lakh. Then D4 9. Then next one B5 2018 C5 7 lakh. By this way we want to enter each data into this cell. Then after finish click on OK. Then we can see in scenario the number. The next one again I want to enter 2019. Click on edit. You can see the scenario name 2019. The range is same B2 to D7. Then click on OK. Before this I want to change the data. So 2019 show the data changed. We can see the data changed. Then click on edit 2019 B2 to D7. OK. We can see the data 2019 the same as 2018. 2019 then C2 9 lakh. Then the percentage of interest 8.5. Then B3 2019 same. Then C3 7 lakh. By this way each data we want to enter. Okay. Then next one 2020 the data is we can see in data the interest percentage 8. Edit. We can see the scenario name 2020. The data range B2 to D7. Then OK. B2 2020 the year, then C2 the deposit, and D2 the interest percentage. Again B3 the same column, the year, the deposit, interest percentage, same again the next row. B4 means the year, the deposit, interest percentage. B5 the next row, the year, deposit, interest percentage. Okay, by this way we can create a wide data into a range of cells. After entering this data, we can generate scenario pivot table or scenario summary. We can see the scenario pivot table. Each year, each year, the deposit, interest percentage, interest amount. The next year, deposit, interest percentage, interest amount. In scenario summary, we can see the data. To create this summary, simply we can create, set cursor in the data, scenario manager, then we can see the summary. Click on summary. We can see two options or report type, scenario summary or scenario pivot report. And the result cells means already I said B1 to E7. We can set this range as per our needs. B1 to E7 means the column year to the amount.